Let's take a look at the starters for the UST Growling Tigresses. And one thing we're noticing is that looking to lead the way. Now their opponents and the Ateneo Blue Eagles also looking for their first win. Their rookies have been amazing. J-Lo de Los Santos.
Heartbreaking, a 5-setter loss against UP.
Carvalho with the first serve. J-Lo, that one is sent back. Cortez to Donna De Leon. Pancake save by Det Pepito. That was our question of the game. Floor defense, key factor. And Zay Pasha off the blocker's hands. Stable first pass. And that one is a point for USC. Let's go to Sydney Oliva for her report. Sydney? Sharp serve for Cortez. A bump set for Perdido. Slowed down by the blockers. De Leon will try. Cassie the set back to Perdido. Hermosura with a touch and a chance ball for USD.
Ooh, miscue there.
Cortez back to J-Lo. And met by a USD wall.
Twins.
This T-by defensive play of the set is brought to you by Elastocil. Selyado ang bubong, anumang panahon.
Now Carvalho will be credited at kill block.
That's a strong serve. Back row naman para kay Jurado. Cortez sets up J-Lo. Det says, I'm here. Poyos now off the block. And a great save from the Blue Eagles.
Chance for UST.
Angge Poyos with a put away.
That was a perfect set coming from Carvalho. You have to mention 15 points for a middle blocker. That's a lot.
She's not the tallest of middle blockers, but quite athletic here.
Exactly.
In the meantime, Casey Cortez. Jurado with the reflexes. Poyos striking from the back row. Digging has been good. But the blocking of USD sending... At the first ball there. And a chance now for Ateneo. And now a chance for USD. Carvalho with a put down. Great reflexes for the Blue Eagles. Back row, Poyos.
In the net and in the floor defense. So activating a back row attacker. Really mistimes the blocking of Ateneo.
And Carvalho now has Jurado and Perdido in the front line. A lot of options. J-Lo neutralized. Cassie the set for Perdido. One-man block for Zay Pasha.
Perfectly reading Perdido. And no coverage.
Good first pass by Det. And that is inside for Avril Braun.
Set point.
Poyos again. Now it's Nisperos. Make that 3 for Nisperos. 23 serving 24. Carvalho looking for a big one. Fujimoto back to Nisperos. Poyos saving it. And we are tied at 24. Tough set. Saiza Gula. Wow, coming in hard. Sydney Oliva and Vixie Burgos also joining us, our correspondents. Miscue there by Carvalho to Braun.
They will need a quick side out, talking about UST.
First ball has been problematic here for UST. And now a chance ball. Carvalho to the slide for Braun. What a save by De Chavez. Pasha soft touch. What a save by Det. And Gula tried to place. Good sweep by J-Lo. Hermosura. Long rally we have here. De Chavez, another pancake save.
Both teams scrambling.
Braun. De Chavez has been everywhere. Longest rally of the match, and Ateneo will score the point.
Against the offense of UST. Take a look at that save. a chance ball for UST. They weren't able to capitalize. Another save coming from the Chavez.
What was that? 3 saves in one rally for Steph De Chavez. And now her team has a 4-point lead. Timeout called for USD. USD still looking for their first point. Here in our second set, a high free ball. What will Ateneo do? They go to Hermosura. Ana reloads. Had to use her left hand. From the pipe, Angge Poyos, unstoppable. Well, that's one way to get on the board.
Coming from Poyos.
Siya na daw mag-open. What another great hit by Angge Poyos. Soft touch for Pasha, looking to go behind. Althea, using that quickly. Carvalho will bump it. Poyos locks in. 3 straight points for Poyos.
Good pass.
Donna De Leon, another great pancake save. Carvalho, she will choose Althea. That one was red, and De Leon manages to find the line.
In the last second. Take a look at that. That's clearly inside.
That is now 4 of her 6 points. Another great serve for Marga Althea. Back set, Pasha. Checked at the net. Free ball. Cassie loves these. Gula switching it up. Arroya, secondary setter for Pasha. That is denied. Or of USD. Cassie going to Braun. Cortez back set to Pasha. Right in between Poyos and Pepito. 15 serving 14 for Gula. And Hermosura was blocked.
Coverage was there for Ateneo.
Look at that set for Jurado. J-Lo, chance ball for USD. Cassie this time goes to the open. Come on!
Well, for Ateneo, they want to convert a point right away because they only have 2 attackers up in the front row. Fujimoto entered in the front.
Tax Hermosura. It goes down for Ana Hermosura. So 16 serving 18. Hermosura has came to play here. It's a tough serve. From the middle, Poyos. Blockers were ready. J-Lo rejected. Althea and Jurado. Tax to Nesperos. From the back row, Jurado off speed. And Carvalho, she knew what to do with it. A little love from the net there. Bump set, J-Lo. Good blockings from Althea. Nesperos. Det will play setter, and Althea will score. That has been a go-to play for Carvalho. Won't work that time. Nesperos rejected.
Oh, well, Althea was right in front.
From the pipe, bring it on, sabi ni Angge Poyos. We are now at set point. Out of system, leading to a free ball. Carvalho to Braun. Good coverage for USD. Gula for the finisher.
Team effort coming.
So we welcome you to set number 3 here in the Smart Araneta Coliseum. J-Lo is one player looking to step up as well in this game. She's been silent. Bump set, De Los Santos tried to swipe. Det says, I'll set it up for Gula. That one is slowed down. There's a whistle, and I think
That looked clean, but they missed the opportunity to go for a challenge.
It's tight to the net. J-Lo had to adjust. Hermosura gives it back to UST. And now it's Jurado. Last second save for Pasha. We've got a long rally here. Free ball for the Blue Eagles. De Los Santos is denied.
Front of De Los Santos.
This Tibay defensive play of the set is brought to you by Elastoseal. Selyado ang bubong anumang panahon.
Red Jurado stretching.
That's the kind of attitude Coach Serio shared that he wanted this team to embody. But more than that, coming into this next set, Coach Serio also asked his team to remain aware, to read the blocks, and to time the spikes while they're higher so that the block doesn't stop them. Now, the Blue Eagles have to pour all the focus and the fight that they've got into this next set because as what they told each other in the huddle, kaya pa, hindi pa tapos at sabihin nyo sa mga sarili nyo na kaya ninyo.
She believes.
Yep.
She's a 6-footer in her heart. Hermosura now. What a great dig by Det. And that one is unchaseable. It's not easy. NU first, DLSU second.
And I'm sure they have learned their lessons in those back-to-back losses.
Back to Poyos. That one scraping the net. Altea opting for a soft touch. Quick counter by Chuatico. Kept alive. It's still good. Ball is live. Cortez. Hermosura. Another long rally we have here. Carvalho. Back to Angge. And Poyo scores off the block. Pepito, secondary setter. Poyos. Soft touch was red. Angge reloads. And Angge with a 20-piece. Kula. Ball is deflected. De Los Santos adding power to it. And Carvalho, she does that so well.
Yep.
Angge Poyos is still at the bench here. Now it's with Red. What an angle.
Yep. If you don't have Angge Poyos right now, it's UST.
Oh, that is Anoyel out. Fujimoto. It's tight to the net. Tsunoshima adjusts. Jurado sends it across. From the 5, Hermosura. Oh, what a dig by Det Pepito. And that is inside. Pepito will play setter for Poyos. Tax. Hermosura covers her own hit. Carvalho now to Angge Poyos. Bang!
Oh, that's clearly out.
Sharp serve. Good first pass. Slide attack. One-handed save by J-Lo. Fujimoto going quick. Fujimoto, De Los Santos. She's been choosing that move.
Yep.
Arroyo ready for the soft touch. That one a little low for Jihan. And Gula with a good save by Hermosura. Chance ball here. Carvalho loves these. Saiza Gula sends us to match point. Carvalho to Gula. Hermosura says it's not done yet. And Donna De Leon keeping her team alive. One good side out here for USD is all it takes. But they won't be needing that as the USC Golden Tigresses win their first here in UAAP Season 88.